Okay, Norcold fridge. You want to make sure that all the gauges are right, and you can ask and check this, make sure it's green. But yeah, always check your fuse box, make sure that the breaker, and also make sure the breaker isn't flipped. But as you can see on this coil, there is some condensation, but the fridge is still dropping. The fridge is reading at 57 degrees. So, gotta remember, this is not like your fridge at home. This is absorption fridge, so it's different. You can't load it, fill it up, and you can't run it on high. It will freeze up on you. And if it does freeze up, you're gonna have to turn it off, let it sit for an hour, and then turn it back on. So, in this fridge, which is a Norcold, it also runs on propane. So, to get it to switch over to propane, you go right here and you take it from the plug over here, and then you hit the spark button, and it should start up. You'll hear a click, click, click. Make sure also that your propane is on and lit. So this is a Forest River RV also, and it's got this smaller fridge in it. And I think this RV is it's called a Wolf Pup. It's a smaller RV. And like I said, you check your settings, make sure they're right. And your fridge is not like at home, so it's not gonna start working in an hour. You're gonna have to let it run for 6 to 12 hours before it cools off. And make sure you keep it running, and make sure that you also let it run for a little while before you start putting stuff in it. I would say make sure it's completely cooled down before you start loading it up. So this is just a little basic stuff about an RV fridge. My fridge is a little bigger than this, and a little advice on that is, I think the coldest maybe goes up to like a 7. We run it at like a 2 or a 3, and we only fill it halfway up. So do not put a lot of stuff in your fridge because it will freeze up on you. So this is signing out. Happy trails. Enjoy your RV life and stay tuned.